Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Ellis with Try This. Next time you want to influence people around you, I suggest you give direction without correction. Now, this is a very unusual concept because most of the time when people around us are not behaving in the way we want, we correct them. We tell them that they're doing something wrong, and then we try to get them to do it right. Or we tell them that they're doing something that we don't like, and we try to get them to do it our way. And what it comes across as is criticism. Now, it's light criticism, but nevertheless, it's correction. It's correcting the person. What I'm recommending is you instead just direct them. You ask for what you want, you point the way in which you would like them to go, and then you step back and see what occurs. And I say that when you do that, you'll get better results than if you start with correcting them. Correcting them is kind of a paternalistic attitude. It's kind of like the old 20th century way of dealing with people. And I'm saying that in this 21st century, what we can do is instead of correcting them, is just direct them. So next time you want something different than you have, direction without correction. Try that.